Hey guys, anybody's Hope here. Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year's everyone. It is January 3rd. This is my first video of the year and I wanted to share with you guys another must download application. Just like I try to do every single week here on the channel, I try to share an app from the App Store that I think is worth a download, and this week will be no different. But you guys already know if there's any apps you would like for me to try, any recommendations or suggestions, you can always leave those in the comments down below and maybe I'll feature the app that you recommend on the next episode. Now, for those of you that own an Apple Watch, you're probably familiar with this very awesome utility built into the Apple Watch that allows you to eject water from the speakers of Apple Watch. And this is native. This is something that Apple has built into the Apple Watch in order for you to eject water from the speakers of Apple Watch in case you ever go swimming or you're in pouring rain and water gets to your Apple Watch somehow, speakers there, you can eject the water. But that feature is actually lacking from the iPhone. Well, this app that I wanted to share with you guys called Clearwave actually brings this functionality to the iPhone where you can test the speakers, eject water, also measure decibel levels, and we'll get to some of the details here. Great ratings, by the way. This app has 4.5 stars, so I'll link it in the description down below. I highly recommend you go ahead and download it right now. You can try it out. As you can see right here, you have free trials, and if you ever need this application, it is a lifesaver. You have several subscription packages you can choose from, but the main functions are free, as I mentioned. So you have your ejection water test here for the speakers. As you can see right here, it gives you instructions. But let's go over some of the features built into the app. So if we jump into the app here, very simple, clean user interface. You see right there, this is going to be the press the button to eject the water from the speakers and do the actual speaker test, right? So we have right here the test option. Then we have a decibel meter. So if you're trying to measure any decibel sound waves coming from maybe a speaker, radio, whatever, you can do that directly from here. You also have a camera feature that allows you to point it directly at a subject as well. So you have that option as well, options to record and save this to your actual iPhone and save it for later. You could actually press here once you're done and you can save that data as well. So if you're looking to measure decibels, you have that option built in there. Of course, you also have your settings where you can play around with as well. And let's go to the main feature. The main reason why I wanted to feature this app, because as we know, sometimes we can drop our iPhones in some type of liquid, maybe water, jump into a pool, it's pouring rain, and your speakers may have some water maybe on the earpiece where you use right here, obviously, to hear a conversation. You also have your speaker at the bottom of the iPhone here. So we're going to go ahead and run a quick test of this really cool app. Again, very similar method which Apple uses natively on Apple Watch to eject water from the speakers of Apple Watch. We now have Clearwave, which gives us the same function, but with an app directly from the App Store. So let's take a look at some of the functionalities. So as you can see from this test here, I first try to put some water into the earpiece here and try to run the test to see how the application will perform, and obviously it did its job. It actually pushed the water out from the speaker, or the earpiece rather, and as you can see right there, you can wipe it and repeat this process as many times as you need. Obviously I adjusted the audio because the sound waves are kind of strong, so I don't want to hurt your ears throughout the video, but I also poured some water into the actual speaker at the bottom as well. And as you can see, I did a great job pushing the water out of the speakers from the bottom as well. And again, you can repeat this process as many times as you need. If you ever dropped your iPhone in water or any type of liquid, Clearwave is definitely the application to go with. Again, links will be in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out. Download it right now. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.